Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, and run through the trade with you on this 27th day of January 2026. Great to be with you again. The setup is this. We've had a couple of failures down here. We turned around and get our favorite trade, which is a strong candle indicator trade, saying go ahead and buy this market up towards the top of the screen. So that is what we're going to do. The setup, the market is very, very slow today. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 30 and 40 ticks in length. If you've seen any of our other videos, that is maybe the lowest PVI that we've had in any of the sessions. So we're going to have to match that up with an appropriate ATM. We don't want to outkick our coverage. And so we're going to go for an 11 tick target to de-risk the trade. Then we'll go for runners of 20s and 40s. And this is how it all went down in the LTR today. Now I just need a little bit of red here just to make sure that the sellers get some kind of to tries to go short. And we're really not getting all of that. So we'll just wait till it comes down, gives me a little bit of red, then we'll enter the trade. So initially it looked like it was going to run off without us. But then it does back up a little bit. Gives me a flash of red, and enough to get me get my trade on here. There we go. There's a flash of red. All targets are picked up. The stop is pretty much where it needs to be. So now we just sit back and wait. And on slow days, the waiting can be excruciating. So we'll speed the market up 4 times. This is 4 times the market speed, and it's still going to look pretty slow. So let it go. We'll see what happens when we hit our first target. When we hit our first target, we de-risk the trade completely. The 10s and 20s are out, and hitting a 40 tick target on a day like today, not impossible, but sure is a struggle. There it goes. Ran right through it. No, that trade only took 3 minutes to complete and was worth 425 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 425 US dollars in 3 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, the home of the strong candle indicators, one of the only indicators you'll ever need to make trading easier. So we look forward to seeing you the next time on Trade of the Day. So God bless you. We'll see you then.